Ever wondered how Google Cloud Platform or GCP powers everything from apps to AI? Let's break it down in under 90 seconds. GCP runs on Google's massive global network of data centers. Instead of relying on your local computer or servers, you use Google infrastructure to store, compute, and process data. GCP offers services like Compute Engine for virtual machines, cloud storage for files, and BigQuery for analyzing huge datasets. Everything is on demand and scalable, meaning you pay only for what you use. Your apps and data are protected by Google's advanced networking and security systems. You get encrypted data transfer, firewalls, and identity management built in. GCP also includes AI and ML tools, like Vertex AI and TensorFlow integration, letting developers build intelligent apps without managing servers. In short, Google Cloud Platform works by letting you run apps, store data, and use advanced computing on Google's infrastructure. Fast, secure, and scalable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.